Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace struts on Lexus RX 350 Easy Guide. Begin by parking on level ground, engage the parking brake, and loosen lug nuts slightly. Lift the vehicle securely on jack stands and remove the wheel to access the strut. Use spring compressors if replacing strut assemblies and mark alignment points. Work one side at a time, follow torque specs, and test drive at low speed after reassembly. Gather all tools before you start to keep the job flowing and safe. Inspect spring compressors for wear and choose sockets that fit securely to avoid rounding bolts. Use penetrating oil on rusted fasteners and let it soak before attempting removal. Keep a clean workspace and organize trays for bolts and clips, and double-check torque values during reassembly to prevent premature wear or handling issues on the road. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more DIY tips and guides. Quick recommendation: pick up leak-proof meal prep containers to keep snacks and small parts separated in your garage. They save mess and time. I find them perfect for bolts and hardware during projects, and they stack neatly on the workbench. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by removing the wheel and supporting the knuckle to prevent binding. Disconnect sway bar links and brake line brackets, then unbolt the strut from the knuckle. Compress the spring safely, remove the top nut, and swap the strut cartridge or full assembly. Reinstall components, torque to OEM specs, and ensure brake lines are routed correctly. Finish with a cautious test drive and a professional alignment to restore proper handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.